About to enter the west alley. Copy. Take the window. Bravo 6 moving interior.
I'll get the kettle on.
Quiet.
We're working with an ultra-nationalist group. They'll handle operations in the east after the attacks.
Trust the wolf.
You know I do. But this operation failed, so why
It
are we
did
doing
not
this?
fail. Your dead brothers made sure of that.
We were supposed to have double the body count.
Take the front row.
Over the flippin' telly. That's the point!
This is the United Kingdom. Do you think anyone walks around worried that they're going to get blown up? Well, now
Drop
they do. Al-Qatala.
Secure.
Fucking hell!
Alpha 3. Entering through the front door.
Mark, what's going on?
Sergeant, get to the stairs. Ready up. Bravo 6 moving to the first floor. X-ray down. Plug it behind the door.
Don't kill me! Please!
2 X-rays down.
Copy. Make sure this floor's secure. Secure the floor.
First floor secure.
On me. Bravo 6 moving to the second floor.
Open the door!
Three won't get up here now. Roger, moving. Clear that room. Move in, go. Get in there. Check every room. Get those rooms cleared.
Floor secure.
Rally up the stairs.
Hang in there, mate. I got you.
Ready on the stairs, let's go. Bravo 6 taking the 3rd floor.
Oh no, I will not betray the wolf. Here, let me go.
Take your shots.
Hands up! Now!
Don't move!
Secure him! Shut that kid up! Secure.
Last floor. Take point, Sergeant. We've got one more floor, Sergeant. One floor left, Sergeant.
Locked.
Try and take him alive.
Down! Get down! Get down!
Don't shoot! Don't shoot, please! They were going to kill
Don't
me!
move!
They
Stop!
locked me in here!
Drop her.
Clear.
All teams, townhouse secure. Commence SSE. Copy, boss. Roger.
Trust the place, Sergeant. See what you can find. Well, let's get at it. Oh, fucking hell. She was going for a bloody detonator.
Good job we dropped it in.
We made the right call, sir.
We'll bet your ass. We've got a location on the wolf.
The attic of the Al-Qatala townhouse was a gold mine. Looks like we found the wolf. Communications from the laptop were tracked to Ramaza Hospital in Urzikstan, where the Al-Qatala leader is believed to be holed up. Farah's forces will track terror activity at the hospital, while a Marine ground force can be mobilized to advance on the complex. Echo 3-1 will capture the wolf for interrogation about the stolen Russian gas.